Fallen Twins post today. That's great. Anyways, I'm wearing the same sweatshirt from yesterday because my best friend Abby, well, also known as my sister, wants me to wear my invitation tour sweatshirt, so that's what I'm gonna do. But I have a shirt under. I'm a savage. Hi guys, we're in Safeway. This is Abby.
Not sponsored. Hi.
Hi guys. So I'm at Abby's house and we're watching TV's movie for the 14th time. And here's Abby, and
Hi.
we don't know what to talk about, so
Follow me on Instagram. It's at abby.jj. Oh, follow me right here.
there you go. I can do
There
that.
we go.
I'll put that. I'll put it in.
Yeah, okay, cool. So how are you guys? I'm glad to hear that.
You look the Mickey Mouse thing.
Can you find the guitar? Is that the guitar?
Yeah!
Dora's job is hard.
It is, you know. It's like a 9-year-old girl like playing the voice of her.
Yeah, I know.
Dora
She
has a
deserves
phone now.
Pay raise.
I know.
Dora deserves a pay raise.
She really does.
Strike.
Torches. Minecraft torches.
Pitchforks.
Yeah. Get them from
They
Target.
have pitchforks in Minecraft.
They need. Oh my god. They do need pitchforks in Minecraft.
Yeah. Can I plug for Ricky Dillon?
Oh yeah.
Guys, go subscribe to Ricky Dillon, Gabby Hanna, Jack Barron, Chachi Gonzalez, and Andrew Lau.
Pizza is good. Yeah, pizza is great. Pizza gets a lot of love and not a lot of hate. That's not all I want. No, I need some salad too. Whatever.
Yeah,
dressing is fine. It's all up to you.
Vegetarian salad. Fruit
Garden salad. Oh, yes, Greek salad's really good.
Greek salad is good. I said fruit salad, but I mean.
Oh, fruits. I mean, that works too.
Fruit salad.
Yummy, yummy.
See, that's
I
what I was trying to quote.
when I was 8,
You got kicked out of karate in your class.
what was great? Wait, hold on.
Uh-oh.
Look at us, we're vlogging.
And watching teenage movie at the same time.
Multitasking.
I'm not good at multitasking.
But I was like, what's the like age you'd be if you were in like first grade?
First grade?
Yeah, 7.
First grade. You'd be in first grade.
Cool. When I was in first grade, I saw the Wiggles in concert. Yeah,
I'm so jealous. I was gonna go see them this summer, but my mom won't let me.
the Wiggles.
Yeah.
Why are we? Well, we're like sisters. We are.
Sisters. We have the same hair color.
And it's kind of weird. Like my hair's straightened, but like my hair is curly. So
My hair needs to be straightened.
let's do it.
Everybody says I'm sleeping with the enemy.